Hello, this is ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Today's the 5th of June 2014. We're going to be looking at the CFDs, gold, SPX500, US30, German 30, and the US oil on the daily chart with the Elliott wave analysis. Before we start, once again, please go through the disclaimers, stop and pause and read at your own leisure, as well as the hypothetical performance. Okay, fine. Let's go to the charts. Right now, here we are with gold. As you've been following it in these past few days of what I've been telling to you, currently, right now, we're in a wave 3 of a primary degree wave, and that's red and in circles. And when we break down that structure, we can see it has a 1, 2, and we're in a third wave of the intermediate, and 1, 2, a third wave of a minor, and 1, 2, 3, and probably entering into a fourth wave of a minute. So running down with you again, primary is red in circles, intermediate is green in brackets, minor is a pink, a minute is a blue, Roman numerals, and small and in a circle. Okay, fine. So as I said to you, we're probably entering into a wave of 4 right now of a minute degree. The wave structure, there's the 1, there's the 2, and the 3 has come down close to the 200%, pretty close to the 200%, past the 1.161.8 level. So when we if I can open this up for you a little bit better, you can actually see where we're standing. And the wave 4 probably going to come around this level at 23.6 level at there. That's what we're looking for. Yeah, so I mean, I put an entry at 1261.79. Could that's in between the 38.2 and 23.6, and of course, day by day, as we actually move these levels down, that's why our entries kind of also jump accordingly. So what I can actually do, I can actually move the entry down to the 23.6 level to be sure that we'll hit for that wave 4. I think probably that we've reached the exhaustion currently now for the wave 3 of the minute, and that will be good enough for us to be able to look for a pullback and then re-enter. 38.2 could possibly happen. That's not possible. There's nothing wrong with that. And where we're going to take our stop, we're going to take our stop. Let's just move that down for you now, so you can actually be part of that move and see exactly how that's happening. So we can take that down to the 23.6 level. So we move that down. So that's already there, and we put our entry at that level, and that's right. And let's move that down also to that level. And the stops have moved also. We want to keep our stops tight, because that's the advantage about playing that wave. Move that stops up. So basically we got 2 entries right now, and 2 entries are taking it for the wave 4, for the progression for the wave 5, and keep our limits also ending at the 161 level for the wave 3 of the larger wave degree, which is the minor wave, right? So that's that. Okay, fine. So this is our wave 4. We want our wave 5 to come down to close out the wave 3 of its larger wave degree, and the stop loss is a tight stop loss. Let's just make that a little bit bigger for you traders, and let's move that to red. We put our stop loss here. Make that bigger so you can see. And actually, once we've triggered into that trade, we can move our current trade, which we've got a current trade right now at 1380 points in profit. We took the entry at the 1267.84, and that was actually trading the wave 3 of the minor wave, knocking it down at the low of that particular wave 1, which closed on the 24th of April 2014. Price, of course, has come down, and now it's gone back up. And what we're going to do, we're just riding right now that particular trade. We're just riding as it comes through. Once we're triggered into this trade and we're in a little bit of profit coming down at this level, we can bring our stop loss all the way down to this particular point and just ride that trade all the way through, or we can bring it down further. But as you can see, that's going to be a very tasty trade indeed. So the stop loss currently will be about, yeah, that amount of points. Quite interesting for us to be able to manage that accordingly. So quite interesting on that. Okay, fine. So that's gold, and that's gold on the daily chart. What we're telling you there's. I'm actually going to place a trade, as you've seen, at that level 1256.13 short with a stop loss of 1280.61. We're already in a trade, 1,380 points in profit, and that's only £8.21, but it's all about the lot size that you do, and we're comfortable with what we're looking at right now. Swiftly moving across to the SPX500, as you can see, prices just storming through, storming way up above. We've got our entries placed at the 23.6 and 38.2. First entry at 1926.4, second entry at 1915, and we're looking at the target of the this level 1947 to close out the 161.8 Fibonacci expansion. Therefore, that will be good for us to expect a pullback for the wave 4 to complete. And just running through with you exactly again where we stand on this particular trade in terms of the wave count. Wave count, we're in a wave 3 of a largest wave, which is the cycle wave, and it has its 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth wave pattern of the primary, and its subwaves are the intermediate, being in green, and that's 1, 2, and it's in a wave 3, and its subwaves are the minor, which are pink, and there you can see 1, 2, and that's in a wave 3. Subwaves are 1, 2, 3, which is the minute. We're trying to hit that wave 4 to come down and take that out. Okay, fine. So no trades right now. We've closed all our trades with profits. Currently now waiting to enter the wave 4 for the minute degree. That's blue and in circles. So I've given to you the stop loss is at 1897.9, and that's our profit target. Is going to be looking to hit target levels definitely to close out this 161.8 level, and I can't actually see where our profit targets are, but we will definitely be hitting this level at the 100% level for the intermediate, which is the green in brackets, and that's the most important thing. So okay, fine, so let's move across now. USOIL, we've got 3 trades on, 129 pips, 130 pips, 123 pips. Price is still hovering around this particular area of 102.47. Entry has been at 101.22. Profit targets 61.8 level, 100% level, 161 level to close out that wave 3, and we'll wait down for a pullback of the wave 4 at the 38.2 level, and therefore subsequently expect to move out. As you can see, the wave 3 of the minor, which is the minor wave, which is the larger wave of the minute, its 100% level closes at the 161.8 level, which means that this level would be a very good level to take it out, take our profits. And then we can see if there's going to be a larger pullback. That could be the minor wave going for its larger wave. In fact, probably could take it all the way down below the black line. So taking out at this level, our profit targets would be perfect. Okay, let's move to the US30. Some interesting analysis I've just been able to take it to. I just wanted to share with you where I stand on this. Currently, we're looking at a wave 5. If I take it to a larger larger chart, you can see currently wave 1, wave 2, which is the largest waves and larger degrees, and that's the cycle degree. That's in Roman numerals, and that's now close to exhaustion of its larger wave degree, which is at close to the 200% level, right? So that's an important point to note. Don't get too flustered with all the busy stuff that you see. I'm just trying to remove all this stuff so you can actually see exactly where we're coming. So you can actually see this is an exhaustion kind of point around here. And if I put everything back, you can't see anything, of course. Okay, fine. So what I actually need to do, I need to take it down to the daily chart, and then you can get a better understanding what we're looking at. Right. So wave 3, I've just told to you, the largest wave degree pattern, which is the cycle. Its subwaves are the primary, which is red, and in circles, as you can see, there's the wave 3, wave 4, and we're heading towards a wave 5, right? I've marked off a wave 5 here at the 161 dot level because because of the Elliott wave rules have given to me that this could be an extension, right? So I'm kind of confident in that particular level for that wave pattern. And of course it's not going to be the 100% because it would have already completed, right? And in terms of the subwave, which is the intermediate, that's in green, I've also pinpointed it to be at 100% level, coming to this particular point, 17080. So let me mark that down. That's an important point, so you can actually note that level. Because what I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to tell you that this is probably going to be an exhaustion kind of point. Many interesting things have come in play here. We have an ending diagonal, as you can see, 0, 1, 2, 3, and there's the wave 4. Notice where it ends, the wave 4. So an ending diagonal, which gives us a very strong happiness, as I could say, because we know what happens after ending diagonal, a very sharp reversal. So as you can see, I've done a couple of channeling, not kind of pinpoint, but still good enough to be able to give you a bit of an understanding, really, where we're standing. Understanding. So let me take that down there. Makes it a little bit more accurate for you to see. So I've taken it at point 0, 2, and 4, which would be good enough for us. And if I bring it any closer, we lose that particular field. So I'll leave it open like that and can put another channel in accordingly. And I've taken it from the wave, that point here, to wave 1, and we kind of have a bit of a divergence also occurrence. As you can see, that point here and that point here, as you can see, price is coming down. Of course, this is the awesome oscillator, which helps us. So in relation to this, we know that we can see that there's wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 we haven't projected, probably come up there. Wave 4, we could probably expect wave 4 to come under, and probably expect wave 5 just to go over that particular area here, and that would complete that wave totally. So you see, that's where we're looking for that particular wave to kind of end, that pattern to end, and then probably we can see a sharp reversal down, and we're looking for prices to end around here, I've marked over there ending diagonal, as you can see. So that's where we're looking for, and as you can see, we can take this at several different ways of how to trade this. We could probably take it on the break of the fall, or we can take it at the break of this channel line here, right? Yeah, so there's a multitude of different things. The beautiful thing about this particular trade will be that there's a number of confluence areas. The ultimate wave 5 will also end at that particular level, so that wave 5 will end, the intermediate wave 5 will also end, and we've got some strong kind of feeling maybe this also will end. So it's an exhaustive kind of point for this potential kind of instrument right now, and then we can see a stronger move down. Remember, we're playing the minor degree here, and that's going to look to put, you can put stop loss around that level, and then either be aggressive and take it all the way down, and it's going to be a sharp move down, so you need to be ready for that, traders. Even if we take it on the break of this particular level, this is all hypothetical right now. We're looking at a very strong 973 points. So that's something very tempting, and the risk reward is going to be very, very tasty indeed. So I'm going to be paying a lot of attention to that, and I'm going to give you a lot of support for this particular instrument. So that is something very interesting for us to note. Let's move now to the German 30. German 30, we put an entry at wave 4 of the minute degree, and that has triggered in, and that's the subwave of the minor, which is pink. And just giving you a breakdown again where we are. We're in a wave 5, also a very interesting wave 5, a wave 5 of the largest wave right now, which is the cycle degree. That's in Roman numbers, and its wave structures of the primary red in circles, and that's in a wave 3 position. Its subwaves are the intermediate being in green and in brackets, and that's also in a wave 3. Breaking that down further, probably reach to the end of a wave 3, because that's off the minor, that's in pink, that's reached 261.8 level, and that's at 10042. So that's really where we're looking in terms of that particular area. I've broken it down further, and the wave 4 has come and hit at the 32, close to the 32 level, and now we're taking up to close this wave totally out, and that's the pink minor wave. Once that's completed, once we've hit that 261 at 100.42, we're going to be out of our trades, all our profits taken, and then we'll look for the reversal down to a level where we can take an entry. Taking an entry probably at 9887, right, to close out the larger wave degree. And then, of course, we'll look for some sharp reversal patterns to follow down. Okay, so that's me. I'm ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.